Hey there, business innovators. Today, we're focusing on how to take your delivery game to the next level with a custom on-demand pickup and delivery app. Whether you run a restaurant chain, a local grocery store, or a laundry service, a well-designed app can streamline operations, boost customer satisfaction, and skyrocket your sales. So, grab a notebook and get ready to take some notes on how to start. Step 1. Know your delivery niche. First things first, identify your delivery niche. Whether you are focusing on food deliveries for your restaurant, grocery deliveries for your store, or laundry pickup and drop-off, understanding your delivery needs will shape the app's functionalities. Step 2. Map a seamless delivery journey. Next, visualize the ideal delivery journey for your customers. Like how will they place orders through the app and how will drivers be notified and navigate deliveries efficiently. Think about a frictionless experience, including features like real-time order tracking and in-app communication options. Step 3. Power up your business with 3 apps. Here's the magic, you're essentially building 3 apps in one. There's a customer app for placing orders and tracking deliveries, a driver app for instant deliveries and navigation, and a powerful admin dashboard for you to manage everything: orders, drivers, finances, and more. Step 4. Prioritize features for efficiency. Now comes the exciting part, choosing the features that will supercharge your business. Must-haves include GPS tracking for efficient deliveries, secure in-app payments for a smooth checkout, and real-time communication for keeping customers informed. Consider additional features like scheduling deliveries, driver performance ratings, and loyalty programs to build customer trust and drive repeat business. Step 5. Build or leverage a low-code development platform. This is where things can get technical. Traditionally, building an app from scratch requires significant time and resources. But there's a smarter way. Low-code app development platforms offer pre-built features, allowing you to create your app faster and with minimal coding knowledge. Introducing Quickworks, a game-changing on-demand app development company. At Quickworks, we understand the unique needs of on-demand delivery businesses. That's why we developed a user-friendly interface specifically designed to build custom pickup and delivery apps. Our platform boasts intuitive features, pre-built functionalities for customer, driver, and admin interfaces, and seamless integration with payment gateways and GPS services. Build your dream app faster and easier. Stop wrestling with complex coding or settling for generic app templates. With Quickworks, you can build a custom on-demand delivery app that perfectly reflects your brand and exceeds your customers' expectations. Click the link in the description to book a free consultation. Let's build your app today.